Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using some amazing, beautiful, bright colors, and of course I'll be working on two different canvases, two different techniques. Beautiful, you guys are really going to enjoy this one. Don't go away. I hope you guys watch this video all the way to the end. And of course, if you have any questions, if you want to ask me, anything pertaining to the technique or whatever it is that might be bugging you, guys, you know what, you can always message me on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram, camille.amoy.art, or you can email me at camileamoy@gmail.com. Of course, don't forget to leave all your comments in the comment section below. I am super excited to continue this experiment that I've been working on. On my previous video, I did silver as my pour over for this pearl cell technique, and today I'll be using gold. Really happy with the way this one turned out, and of course, if you do love it, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, of course, with your friends and family, and of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, make today the day that you subscribe to this channel. I'm all about experimenting and showing you the result that I come up with by using various techniques, different ingredients, just tweaking the ingredients a bit, and see what comes up. I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and of course I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you. Okay guys, so what do you think about that first painting? What do you think about the close-up of the wet result? Do you think it was just so beautiful? The colors are amazing. What do you think about the cells? Do you think the cells were a bit wonky? Whatever it is, guys, I want to know. You know, you have to remember that this is art. Art is fun. Make it fun. And if you do decide to give this technique a try, whatever result you get, remember, you know what, guys, you know what, embrace it. If you have to adjust the consistency of the paint, go ahead and do that. You probably won't get it at the first try. It's all about practice, guys, okay? Keep at it, keep going. I was okay with the way that one came out. I know that maybe I have to adjust the gold a little bit more. Maybe the gold was mixed a bit thinner. I did mix it thinner. That's how I do my pour over pearl cells technique. That pour over color is usually mixed a bit thinner. All right, for this particular technique, I call this the straight pour. I learned this from Gina DeLuca. So straight pour, dirty cup sort of a technique. And of course, I'm using my my Lazy Susan here, my cake spinner, to spin while I pour. And I'm doing this slowly, pouring the paint fast, spinning slowly. And I wanted to mention that yes, the gold, same colors as I use in the pearl cell technique, same color. The gold is also mixed a bit thinner for this one, but usually for this technique all the paints are within the same consistency. I just wanted to see how this one is gonna turn out, what the result is gonna be like. And yeah, let me know what you think, guys. All right, you will see that the paint that I had left over was not enough for this canvas. It won't cover the entire canvas, but I do love the result. Let me know what you guys think. And of course, the close-up of the wet result and the dry result for both pieces will be coming up next. So you guys don't go away. I will see you at the end. Thank you. Yes, before I go, I do want to mention too that blue that you see on the base of the canvas. So you remember when I did the pearl cell technique and I have to stretch the paint off the canvas, the paint that was on my table, I scraped that paint, got this amazing beautiful color here. When I mix all those colors together, it's a beautiful blue. And so I use it as the base for this particular canvas that I'm working on right now. Guys, remember, I know sometimes you'll think that it's all a waste. I am tilting the paint off and it seems like we're wasting paint, but guys, if you do scrape your colors all together in a container, mix it all up, you will get a beautiful color. You can use that color as a base for any particular painting that you want to do. Nothing goes to waste. We do try to conserve, and of course our ingredients are very expensive, and I am not all for wasting anything, right? And I'm just happy that I get to show you that yes, this is the base color from my scrapings that I mixed together from the previous video. All right, so do continue watching this all the way to the end, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Thank you. Here it is, the dried result. What do you guys think? I am so in love. I do love it. So different with the gold. Usually I use black as a pour over paint, and you've seen me, if you've seen the previous video, you saw me use the silver. Really great to be experimenting, guys, and I really want you to try for yourself. Here it is with the flash on. I wanted to see if it's going to show a difference. I wanted to see the gold reflecting, having some shimmer in there. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you've seen in this. You know, how does this piece make you feel? I am super excited to go read those comments, guys. I do hope you guys give me a feedback. Let me know what other colors you would love for me to try as a pour over. I am just all about experimenting and you know, give you guys great result if it can be done. I really want you guys who are all over the world watching to try what you have available and make amazing art. Stay creative, guys, and just enjoy yourself. All right, just remember, it's all about the paint. And yes, for this particular video and my previous video, I did use Floetrol as one of my ingredients in here, and my Artist Loft pouring medium, because I know that a lot of you have access to Floetrol. So go ahead and use what you have. And of course, if you don't, guys, try with just water as a pouring medium. Just know how to mix your paint, and if you're not sure, check out my mixing video. I have several. I have one with just paint and water only. Go ahead, check it out, see how it works for you, and yeah, let me know. Find me on Facebook and Instagram, message me and let me know how it is all working out for you. Here they are, both hanging together on my fireplace. Not really hanging, but I just placed them there on my fireplace, showing you two different techniques, beautiful colors, and how they dried amazing. No finish on this as yet, no resin, no varnish, but I do love the way it turned out. See you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.